Good afternoon, everyone. We are Group 2, and our topic is Information Security Management of College. I'm Chen Chong Yin Gordon, and I am groupmate. The cases of the college, we find that the DDoS on 2020 May was attacked because of the wrong uses of both teacher and student. All the sensitive and personal information were hacked, and students cannot use online or face-to-face online in the last in 2020 May and the other few months. And all the financial information was hacked. And Gordon is me and my good mate is the person in charge in this project to help the college. We investigated some factors that will case the college happen attack. The first one is social engineering attack. The student will easy to tell the login password to other and make the hacker can log into the school internet easily, and also the virus which is attached in a program or file and email that the student or teacher open this virus. The final problem would be the information security management. The college was less resources of information security, and some sophisticated computer user, they don't know how to execute the problem, and the system is too old. We think that the is with referring philosophy is the establish the never and never that have been put into normal operation. This is the step of the following, and the last step is the IS system and product have the good CPI while being legal, and it is the key measurement of this philosophy. And next page, the principles that to considering the large level and user scale of the network, we adapt a three-type management strategy. The first type is central network, second type is departmental network, and the last type is the terminal. In terminal, we implement the access control of internet hosts and the protection of database and personal information as in this type. And the next page is for the reason that the creation of the college IS management system is a step-by-step process rather than the overnight achievement. So we suggest that implementation should be enforced in 4 stages. The IDS is the short form of instruction detection system, and IPS is the instruction prevention system. So we propose some technical solution to the college to improve the information security. The first is antivirus. This is the software for detecting and destroying any virus, and some antivirus will be free and commercial to avoid unknown website and email. So the college can use this antivirus for the all-in-one solution, using this antivirus for Windows or Mac, so that different students using different brand computer, they can also use this antivirus, and also the remote administration and centralized management. The centralized management can manage the security problem. Only the field admin for better to manage. The second will be the firewall. This is the barrier between the computer network and internet. This is for the tightly manage for the external user and prevent the illegal attempt. So our conviction is according to the college security strategy and goal, we should set some filtering or security rule for this in data package. And the second is prevent the internet IP package to the router, prevent illegal internet IP leaving internet. And the first is establish IP and MAC address table for intranet computers so as to avoid unauthoritative use of IP address. And the last one is detect hacking behavior so early as possible. So in the last one is the awareness training solution. So we think that this is the education and awareness. This is the role widely recognized information security standard. This is a certification. So the college maybe try to understand what this certification is and ensuring data security to protecting the personal confidentiality. And next is the ISACA is mean that the Information System Audit and Control Association. We learned that the ICACA will have some student program or some article or journal that is free for some student or teacher to read or learn. So it is an option or this is an opportunity to the student and teacher to learn some professional security knowledge in ISACA. The last one will be the managed code solution. We think that risk management is very important for building a shared room to store the main devices and information backup. Also, the VLAN is another important for the risk management for simplifying the network management and the volume network security. In this vulnerability management, we could greatly avoid the security issue caused by the exploiter. This management cycle, which is just this follow 4 steps. This is so important for this management. Try to use in the security system. And the last one, we propose some new technology for the college to improve their security system. The first one is SaaS. What is SaaS? It means the software as a service. This is a new term happening in these few years. And this is a cloud computing solution and assist the software online through cloud technology for facilitating cooperation and making budget and schedule. How to use the SaaS in college? The SaaS can reduce the college administrative burden, making scaling and always running the latest software. And the most important is in COVID-19, we need to work or learn in everywhere. The SaaS can be help to work from everywhere and sharing the notes and files. And the last one is IoT, Internet of Things. It's also the new term in this few year. It's connecting all the object and people, and lots of many sensors, software and technology for better connect and more collaborative future for education. So how to use this in the IoT application in campus, taking the need to track COVID-19 contact and the online teaching need for the college, we propose the 6 possibility of adapting the IoT in campus as below. This is the IoT can facilitate the college more effective security and safety protection. Above is the graph or the process of how emergency warning system. And the last one is the second one is the IFD-based identity authentication. This is also the IoT product for identify the student or teacher identity. And the last one is the interactive teaching. Every student, they have a e-student card. And when the electronic whiteboard and other the teaching platform, the teacher can, and using the big data analysis to find out the student ability or the location or their personality of this. As all the data is stored in the e-student card, and it's very easy to learn this student. In conclusion, in our project, we're using fundamental technology, new technology, and financial technology. This free technology to improve the core security program. And also the most important is business measure, like education, increase their awareness. We think that in the future, the development of the e-learning and online learning, and after the COVID-19, the teaching model will be a big change, a very huge change. So the college or other education institution need to improve the hardware and software daily. And the last point and very important, and our focus is safety, security, and privacy. This is how we need to protect the right of student, teacher. Thank you.